Hey y'all, it's Stay Space again. So of course you know Valentine's Day is in the next 2 days, I guess it is. So of course this look is Valentine's Day themed. Better late than never, you know how I do. So if you want to see how I came up with this look, stay tuned. Y'all already know, first things first, eyebrows. And to carve out my brows, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution concealer in C10. So today's featured eyeshadow palette, of course, is my Huda Beauty Nude palette. This is perfect for Valentine's Day. Look at it. This is an old palette, but that's Valentine's Day as hell. So that's what we're using today. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can get a closer look at what I'm doing. Okay, so to prime my eyelid, I'm gonna put some more of that concealer that I used to clean up my brows on my eyes. So for my transition shade, we're gonna start out with the color Secret. You see it up here? The next shade I'm going to use is Spanked. If I can get to it. And then to deepen that up a bit, I'm gonna go into the shade Love Bite. sort of a cut crease effect. I'm gonna start off with the shade Crave. Now I'm gonna go in the shade Fantasy. Right there. Then I'm gonna go back into the same brush that I used the purple shade, and I'm gonna blend out my edges. Now we're going to eyeline. Now for my favorite part, lashes. Don't ask me where I got them from because I don't know yet. So for primer today, I'm going to use my Too Faced Hangover Primer. And for foundation today, I'm going to use my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Tahoe. Under eye highlight, I'm gonna go back in with that same Makeup Revolution concealer. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it all out. contour, we're going to use my Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F14. And to set my under eye, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. My under eye, I'm going to go back in with that shade Secret. And then I'm going to go into the shade Spanked. And I'm going to sweep it under my eye, but I'm not going to bring it all the way forward. I'm just going to bring it to the middle. Then I'm going to put on some mascara. To bronze, I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use this Itty Bitty NARS Orgasm blush because I can't find my big one. And for highlight, I'm going to use my Rosy Glow Reds by the Crayon Case. Setting spray, I'm going to use my Scandinavia Bridal Setting Spray. For lips, I'm going to use two shades. I have my Crayon Case lipsticks. I'm going to line my lips with the color Raven, and on the inside, I'm going to use the color Fruits. I know y'all wondering what she gonna do with that little nib on her head since she done did her makeup, but I'm about to show y'all. Alright, here you have it. Here's my finished look. Hope y'all enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the next one.